What's up everybody, welcome to It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to get electricity meter reading on this particular electricity meter. And as you can see, this one is the Aclara SGM1412-B. So we're going to head over to the meter. I'm going to show you exactly how to get a meter reading on it. So let's go. So this is the meter here, and you have these two buttons, the A and B. So whatever screen you're on, you need to press B until it gets through to this here where it'll say TOU rate. And that should be on TOU rate 1, which is the single tariff meter reading. But anyway, whatever reading it is on the particular rate, you press the A and it will take you through. You've got like total active import, total active export. It's the TOU rate 1, which is your meter reading for this particular meter. So like I said, you press B until you get round onto the section that is saying about a rate. So the import or export rate, or TUI or TOU, whatever's on there. Then all you do is just press A till you get round to the rate 1, and that's the meter reading. Hopefully that helped you. If it did, please let me know in the comments below. It's great to get some feedback. But until next time, see ya.